So this lesson is over one-step inequalities and graphing it. So before I begin, I would like to answer this question: which inequality will flip? We know that we flip it when we are multiplying or dividing by a negative. So the first thing I want to do is I want to circle all the inequalities to separate both sides. This is what I like to do. Now, let's look where it says multiplying and dividing by negative. Adding, subtracting, this is multiplying, but it's multiplying by positive 5. So this is dividing by negative. So we're going to flip this one. I'm going to flip it now before I forget. I'm going to flip it from a less than to a greater than. So now, let's solve each one. To isolate x, I have to undo addition 8 with subtraction 8. I cancel, x is greater than negative 10. Remember, a number line goes from least to greatest. So here's negative 10, here's negative 9, here's negative 11. It is an open dot because x is greater than negative 10, so I go to the side. Check your work. If I input a test point of negative 9 plus 8 is negative 1, negative 1 is greater than negative 2. That's true. Next one. So to isolate x, I need to add 4. I need to add 4 to both sides. Cancel. That's 1 greater than x. But I like putting it x is less than 1. So here's 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 1. Again, a number line goes from least to greatest. So it is an x is less than, open dot, all the numbers that are less. Check your work. If I input a test point of 0, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Negative 3 gets greater than negative 4. Next one. To undo a multiply, I divide both sides by 5. Cancel. X is greater equal to negative 2. So there's negative 2, negative 1, 0, negative 3, negative 4. So in here, x is greater or equal to negative 2. So it's a closed dot. Remember, a number line goes from least to greatest, so go to the side. You check your work, input the test point 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 is greater or equal to negative 1. And last but not least, we need to multiply both sides by negative 3. By negative 3, cancel. X is greater than negative 15. So negative 15, negative 14, negative 13, negative 16, negative 17. So this is an open dot. X is greater than, so the number line goes from least to greatest, so it goes side. You can do a test point of like negative 9. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 is 3. 3 is less than 5, and it works. So that's why we use test points to check our